What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a clear clutch cover on my S1000RR. For those of you that are new to the channel, this is my 2016 BMW S1000RR. It currently only has 52 miles on it. I had to drive all the way to Ohio to pick it up. Once I hit around 600 miles, I'm planning on doing the first service myself, which includes removing the limiter that's on there right now. It's currently limited to 9,000 RPMs. There's a few options out there for clear clutch covers for these bikes. The one I went with is the CNC Racing. Let's jump right into it with an unboxing so I can show you guys everything that I got. Here it is. I went with the all black. You can mix and match different colors. This outer ring is available in many different colors, as well as this outer portion. Also comes with a nice CNC Racing oil fill cap. These are made in Italy. You can see it says made in Italy there. These typically run for around $700 US, depending on where you buy it. They also come with new bolts for the clutch cover. You can't reuse the stock ones. Not only did I get the clutch cover, but I got a blue pressure plate. These are also available in many different colors. The one I chose has like a silver on there, so you could see it spinning. They do have all blue, all black. Comes with the bearing pre-installed. And then I couldn't make up my mind on the spring caps, so I got red and blue. I'll probably do red just to give it some contrast. You're probably thinking there's not any other blue on the bike, so it won't really match. But I do have a few other accent pieces that I'm waiting for that I think should tie it all together. I'm going to pull the side fairing off for the install because it's easier to get to the bolts here. You probably could do it by just lightly popping out the fairing and getting in there, but I'm not even going to bother with that. If you guys remember the red bike that I had, I just had the case savers on there, which I was going to do the same ones on this bike, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit. I want to put some rags underneath in case oil comes out. the Torx T30. There's two pins, there's one on the top, one on the bottom that these slide onto. You're gonna reuse this gasket. I was gonna buy a new one, but it wouldn't have came in on time. I'm going to be pulling this new clutch cover off once again, so at that point I'll probably put a new gasket. I'm going to have to measure these bolts for the springs. I'm going to order titanium ones, so I will have to take it back apart. Like I said, you're not going to be reusing these bolts. These are the pins I was talking about, so the new clutch cover is going to slide over those. The spring bolts are 5mm Allen. Open up the new pressure plate. There it is. These run for a little bit under 200 bucks. What do you guys think, red or blue? Can't decide. I think I'm just gonna go red for now. I could always swap it out next time. See, they say made in Italy, CNC Racing. You're going to torque these to 10 Newton meters, according to the Haynes manual. You could use the 2 pins to hold the gasket on. The new clutch cover came with brand new bolts, so we're going to be using those and then putting some thread locker on there. We're going to torque those down to 9 Newton meters. Now, if we were using the BMW screws, if we bought some new BMW screws, I believe those are stretch bolts. So we'd have to torque those to 3 Newton meters and then do a quarter turn. Got everything back together. There's the finished product. I think it looks amazing. The red kind of ties in this R logo, and the blue ties in the BMW logo, and I'm planning a few other accents too in blue, so it should all come together nicely. But yeah, overall I'm really pleased with the quality. What you guys think in the comments about the CNC Racing clutch cover and pressure plate. If you guys want to see more of the S1000 build, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Got a few more goodies on the way. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.